So this is like a fashion type video actually. Something I used to do a while back. But yeah, I got something in the mail that should be here any minute, so let's go check outside. Let's see. It said front door, which is kind of stupid. It's supposed to be sent to the back. So we're gonna check if it's actually in the front. If they dropped it off in the back. And it looks like it's right there. I hate when they don't follow directions. Here's a box. Alright, I'll get to you guys when I get upstairs. Alright, so this is going to be like a unboxing and product review, because I've seen quite a bit of these videos, but one, I haven't seen any like for people like myself with flat feet, so hopefully this video helps not only myself, but others who decide to watch this video. So in this box, I ordered midnight boots in tan, size 44, from a company called Sifl Regime. This is the box. Looks pretty cool. Let's see how you open this. Okay, so I believe you slide it this way, or not. Let's see. Oh, look at that. It's a... Oh, okay, it has a magnet. And then you open it like that. Boom. So, before I get into the stuff, hopefully it's focused because I can't see, but it says style number 19-102-11131, color tan, size 44, and then there's a little picture of the item that I have. So, let's open this together. The box is pretty cool. Looks pretty good quality. So they have a dust bag. It's pretty nice. And then they have these little like cloth bags. Then here's the shoe. Looks pretty nice. The ankle part is pretty skinny, which is good. So I'm going to be, of course, trying these on. And then I'll be showing you guys what I'm going to compare them to. And I also have a couple more things coming soon. But, yeah. There are going to be like different price points and different options and blah, blah, blah. And mainly catered to people like myself, again, who have flat feet. That's actually pretty nice. Let me bring this closer to you guys. Color's nice. Materials feel pretty decent. Then this one has like the chain thing on the front, which was like a pretty nice little touch. The inside feels like a pleather. So I'll get back to you guys in 1 second when I change into like some jeans or something and then try these on. Okay, so now change into some jeans and we're gonna try this on.
And this strap thing does come off. Let's see. Then you can zipper the shoe like all the way down, which is cool. Yeah, this strap thing, like it doesn't like detach, but like you can take it off so you can zip it down all the way. And then I'm hoping these fit because it says 44, which would be like an 11. And usually that's my size and things like this. So we're hoping for the best. Whew, let's see. They look a little narrow. Looks like it's taking quite a little bit of effort to get on, but it may be able to fit. And again, this goes back to my point about having flat feet. Maybe different socks? Who knows? The back of these do feel pretty small, so give me a second.
All right. These boots are amazing, but for me to wear these properly in this size, I had to sweat, take my hoodie off, take the insole out, and do a whole bunch of stuff. And pardon me, I'm salivating. I just had a lot of tea, so yeah, it's really weird. But the shoes are not extremely comfortable now without the insole in, because these are actually some very nice insoles. But without them, they're not bad. And what I had to do to get them to work is take the insole out. And that's because I have flat feet. So you can probably see right here, this part of my foot pushes out because my foot is flat. So the instep, it's not that great. But these boots, they're beautiful. The quality is pretty nice. They were drop shipped, I believe. The price was like $100. And I believe the regular price is like $200. And I think 44 is the biggest size. So if you wear like size 10.5 in Jordan 1s, let's say, because that's usually the size that I try to wear, and it still looks a little weird because my feet are flat. But if you wear like a 10.5 in Jordan 1s and your feet are, because you have flat feet, get the 44 and take the insole out and you should be fine, lengthwise and widthwise. Again, if your feet are as flat as mine, you'll have to take the insole out, which is fine because they look great and the length is fine. But yeah, that's just what you got to do. And for comparison purposes, I'm going to compare them to the cheapest harness boots that I have, which I found for $20, which are, for some reason, they're actually not bad at all. And I'm hoping these stretch like these did, because when I first bought these, I was having the same issue to where I could not zip them up. But these are just a little wider. And again, that's most likely because they stretched. But yeah, so I'm going to put these on, and I think these are called like Reason brand or something like that. They're not that tall, but you can still cuff your jeans, as you can see. Boom. This is like the cheapest example of like a buckle harness boot you can buy. And as you can see in there, Reason brand, size 10.5, made in China. These things are a little bit wider and they stretch, so let's compare the two. Like, as you can see, shape-wise, this one has like a taller heel, which I like because they're like the way that they wear is pretty comfortable. The silhouette, the thing is like as you guys can see, just like the front shape is a little, it sticks out farther here, which makes it look like less long, which is also another thing, a reason why I wanted these. The top part is taller and a little skinnier, which is better because you can put them under jeans and they look great. These ones too, they don't look bad at all under jeans. But these, I'm going to have to wear these. I'll probably wear these all day and stretch them out. Alright. So, my most expensive pair, and which is the only other pair I have like of a buckle Chelsea, are my Louis Vuitton ones. The style is a little different, but these ones are very long, which is why I'm going to have to sell these and get a different pair, because I had 2 pairs of these in the past. My other pair was, I think this one is an 11, yeah. These are an 11. I think I had a 10 before, and the 10 fit pretty good. But these are like a buckle Chelsea. Like, this one doesn't have a zip or anything, so you just put your foot in. But yeah, these are an 11, and they're really long, because for some reason I thought these were going to fit like my other Louis Vuitton Chelseas, and I had an 11 in those. And just like the way this part is and everything like that, the shoe was built different. So if you get this one, this is like the old one with like the burgundy looking bottom. I think the newer one is like a tan kind of color. But these ones are longer, so they fit like a size large maybe. But let me throw these on and compare the other foot to this. So yeah, and for the price point, this is like, I think the now they're like $1,100 retail. So actually, let me put these on, then I'll show you guys. And these ones are like an ankle boot, so like your pants will not go over them, which is another thing. The other one that I had, they were a little taller, so my pants did go over it. And now, like, they make these things look really long, which is what I don't like. They kind of look like a clown shoe, so I'm going to have to try to find another size 10. Because I believe initially what I thought was that I had an 11, but yeah, I guess they were like, I don't know. It's hard to explain, but I don't remember why I thought that these were not as big as they are. I probably just confused the US and Louis Vuitton sizing. But looks-wise, they're not bad. And quality-wise, immaculate. But let's compare the two shoes side to side. As you guys can see, the Louis Vuitton one is substantially longer, because this is Louis Vuitton 11, which is like a 12 or possibly even a 12 and a half by the looks of it. The heel is pretty short. It's about like an inch or 3/4 of an inch. On this one, it is like a inch and a half, maybe an inch and a quarter. But construction-wise, like this one, again, it's Louis Vuitton and it's 6 times more than the retail of this. So again, they're going to use a lot better quality materials and stuff like that. But for a shoe that's this cheap, $200 retail, I believe they usually have sales, so they're around like $100 to $150 for the most part. And then it's like $10 for shipping or something. They're pretty good. But yeah, as far as the buckle Chelsea, the harness boots that I have, so far these are my favorite. And I actually have a couple more pairs coming from 1 or 2 other shops. I forget what I ordered because, yeah, it's been a few days. But I have more coming, so there's going to be a second part to this video comparing these to the other ones. And I'm just going to, what else do I have in here? So this is, I don't remember what, oh, so these are some H&M Chelsea boots. And I'm just going to compare them size-wise. So the H&M ones are a little longer. I believe the H&M boots are, what, like a 10 and a half? Oh, so these are a Euro 44, which is perfect because that's supposed to be an 11. And you can see, hopefully, that these are a little longer. And I really hope the camera's been watching me. But these, again, I stretched them out a bit, but they came wider and everything like that. So these shoes are a lot more narrow from Sifl regime. And I can really say they did a great job making these for the price point. Because if you were going to go like a step up, which is the median between like a YSL and like a Louis Vuitton or a Louboutin, you're going to have to go with, I think it's like Youre Los Angeles or something like that. And those are like $450. And I have not had a pair of those yet, but I possibly will grab some in the future to compare them to these as well. But just from the standpoint of me having these and comparing them to the other buckle boots and Chelseas and everything that I've had before, these, for the price, especially if you could get them for $100, well worth it. I definitely cop. Just watch out for the sizing, because I don't know if they have a 45 or like a 44 and a half. But if they had a 44 and a half, that would be perfect for me. But again, these boots, they're great. I have also, what is this? This is Urban Outfitters. Again, I bought these like a long time ago and I haven't worn these or my gray ones or my pink ones in years because I don't know. I just don't like how wide this part is and you can't really put jeans over it. It looks weird. But yeah, as far as these Chelseas, the Sifl regime ones that I have, great purchase. I'm going to see if I can find like a discount code or anything like that to get anybody who watches this and who's interested in a pair for a great price. But Anyhow, thanks for watching, and I'm going to probably do a hyperlapse of me trying to get this foot on just so you guys can see the struggle of having flat feet. So, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and also let me know what brands of buckle boots, harness Chelseas, whatever, boots in this style that are similar to that of the YSL you have, and link them in the description. And let me know how they were, the sizing, or if you have a video, link that as well. Because these are like some of my favorite style of boots, but I really do not want to pay the YSL price. So, as a lot of you guys are, and gals, we're all looking for a way to save some money on some nice stuff. So, help me out, I'll help you out, and there'll be more videos like this of me comparing these kind of shoes because I have quite a bit more coming, and more that I'm going to want in the future when you guys let me know. So, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.